Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. I am your maths teacher. Today this is our fourth lecture. Chapter number 2, number bonds. What is number bond? Addition of pair of numbers to make new number. Now open page number 17 of your maths reader. 17. We start our lecture with in focus. How are the slices of cake different? देखिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे आपको एक ट्रे नज़र आ रही है जिसके अंदर है slices of cake. How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 slices. आपने क्या बताना है कि ये slices एक दूसरे से different यानी मुख्तलिफ कैसे हैं ये? First difference is of color. 2 colors, red and yellow. 2 slices are red, 1, 2, and 2 slices are yellow. Second difference is about cherries. There are 3 slices that have cherries and 1 slice has no cherry. Now turn page number 18. Let's learn number stories. We can make number stories. There are 4 slices of cake in each plate. Let's make stories. There are 4 slices of cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 slices have cherries. 3 slices have cherries. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 slices have cherries. 1 slice has no cherry. 1 slice has no cherry. एक स्लाइस के ऊपर कोई भी चेरी नहीं है. Let's make number bond. There are 4 slices. 3 slices have cherries. 1 slice has no cherry. 3 and 1 make 4. The second story. There are 4 slices of cake. 2 slices are yellow. 1, 2. 2 slices are red. 1 and 2. Yes, 2 slices are red. 4 slices. Total slices are 4. 2 slices are yellow. 2 slices are red. So 2 and 2 make 4. Now next page number 19. Practice question. Make number stories. We have to make stories again. Question number 1. There are 9 kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 kittens. Dash kittens are grey. 1, 2, 3. 3 kittens are grey. Dash kittens are brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kittens are brown. Let's make number bond. There are 9 kittens. Total kittens जो है वो हम होल में राइट करेंगे ना. 9 एंड पार्ट्स में क्या राइट करेंगे. 3 kittens are grey. 6 kittens are brown. 3 and 6 make 9. Question number 2. There are dash children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children. There are dash boys and there are dash girls. Boys और girls का कैसे पता चलेगा. Yes, short hair है boys के और long hair है girls के. There are 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. There are 2 girls. 1 and 2. Let's make number bond. 5 girls, 5 children. There are 5 children. 3 boys and 2 girls. 3 and 2 make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dash children wear glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All children wear glasses. 5 children wear glasses. Dash children do not wear glasses. No, all children wear glasses. So 0 children do not wear glasses. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है इन चिल्ड्रन में जो कि इन बच्चों में ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जिसने ग्लासेस ना पहने हुए. Let's make number bond. 5 children. 5 children wear glasses. 0 children do not wear glasses. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 and 0 makes 5. Have you understand? I hope you understand this lecture. See you soon in next lecture. Allah Hafiz. You will write this lecture on your readers only. Allah Hafiz.